What's up guys, and today we're back. So today I wanted to talk about a good SEO score on YouTube. So first off, you're going to go and you're going to want to download TubeBuddy. So I'll just go here, TubeBuddy. I think it is going to be this one right here. I'll leave it in the description below. So you're going to want to download this. It's just a Chrome extension, so it's going to help for YouTube and everything else. When I found this out, it actually helped my SEO score huge on YouTube. If you guys don't know what an SEO score is, it's a search engine optimizer for your YouTube. So your videos get known, people will find your stuff. So say you make an amazing video, you get no views. So you need a good SEO score so people can find that video, so they will see what kind of content you are posting. So you just download this, you add the extension on here, and you will go to, say I go to my YouTube, and you can see the extension is right here. So we'll go to create. I'll just do a little demo video, upload video, select files, okay, videos. I'll just do a random siege clip. So the big thing with an SEO score is you want a good title, you want a good thumbnail, a good description, and tags. So you need tags. They're very important for your videos. That's one of the biggest things for an SEO score is tags. And this, the TubeBuddy will actually give you options for certain tags down here. So it just adds this entire thing. I don't have the full version, but there is ways to do it without the full version, so it's super simple. So per se, I make a good title. So I'll just do like Rainbow 6 Siege. And then you want to get a title. Whoops. You want to get a title that's interesting, that attracts the crowd, something that people will look at and want to watch, right? So you'll go here, do 1 versus 5-man squad, blah, squad, crazy gameplay. Or we could do 1-man crushes 5-player squad. You want to do uppercase, you want to make it look professional. This is just a simple little demo video to show you guys kind of how I make a video. So the description you want to explain the video, explain what you're doing in the video. Make it long, put tags in the description as well. So I usually do tags all up here, and then I go down, I'll do a fat description of what's in my video, what people want to see, what I'm doing in the video. Put the title in the description as well. That always helps. So to do like create a thumbnail, so you're gonna want to go here, upload thumbnail, and you're gonna, I know the ones in the videos are usually HD. Try and do an HD video, or create a thumbnail that attracts a crowd. So a custom thumbnail, something that's interesting, cool, something that you would want to click on YouTube. Then once you go down here, I don't know why this is here. So you're gonna go to your tags. Say I type in siege. No, that might not work. Rainbow Six Siege. You're gonna get recommended tags down here. Use a couple of these too. Siege tips. Just do everything revolving around the game, what you're doing in the game. Montage clips. Oop. Boom, boom. Rainbow Six. Yeah, Pro League Extraction. So just use all these ones. They're actually really good ones to use. Sometimes it gives you a score. You'll get a red score or a green score. Use all the green ones. That always helps too. So once you've done that, you have a good title. You have a pretty good description, an interesting thumbnail. Go all the way to 500 tags. That helps a lot. Just fill the tags out 100%. Go down here. Just choose the game that you want, of course. Boom. And then go next. Oh. Go next. Add an end screen. So end screens pops up right here. That helps a lot too. That's part of the SEO score as well. So just throw an end screen on there, just whatever you want. Add a content card, video, anything you want. Let's click on something random. Boom, boom, boom. So once you're done that, the tags help out with the SEO score a ton. The title is very important. Thumbnail important. If you do share your video on Facebook or Twitter or anything like that and it gets a like, that's important for an SEO score. In the comments, interacting with your audience is very important as well. So pinning comments, hearting comments, replying. People liking your videos is also important. It's not too important though, because once you post your video, people need to find it. So the SEO score will help them find it to like the video per se. So I'll go here. I'll go to my YouTube channel, and I think if I click on any one of my videos, since I have the extension on, it should tell me what my SEO score is. So I've found anything above 50% is a decent SEO score. It helps people find it. So when people do look up your game, yeah, it helps a lot. So as you see here, it shows my SEO score right here, 85. It shows everything right here. So per se, I don't have everything that fills out. I don't have a comment pinned. I don't have info cards added, chapters added, comments hearted, but I do have a lot of good tags in here. So it shows, yeah, every tag I do have, as you guys can see. I do a lot of horror content, so I try and go for like creepy videos, indie horror games, gameplay, tutorials, horror, scary. I throw the game title in there. Lots of times actually no commentary, indie horror game gameplay walkthrough, and that is a huge help for my videos. So even if I go here, I think, and I just like that, and then pin that, refresh the page, I think it should say now that I have this out. So if you do a couple of these, you fill out like 3 more of these, my SEO score should go up to 90, but I'm honestly happy with 85. My videos only 104 views right now, but some of my other videos have progressed a little bit more to help me and to help people find my video. This one is actually only 50 currently, but if I type in blah, Born into Fear gameplay, my video is the 3rd one pops up, so that always helps. These guys do have less views than me, but they are a little bit more known YouTubers, and they might have a better SEO score than 50% per se, right? They have better tags. I think if I actually click on their video, it should tell me his tags too. So his is 75. That's why his is popping up a little bit more than mine, right? But yeah, no, this TubeBuddy definitely helps. It's free. Helped me a lot in the long run. And yeah, I just hope this helps you guys. And if it does, just let me know down below what you guys think. And yeah, if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.